पित्त वृद्धि लक्षणाः पित्त पिन् मूत्र नेत्र त्वक् क्षुत्रुट् दाह अल्प निद्रतः. That means according to Ashtanga Hridaya Sutra Sthanah. Next one is the according to Shushrutaः पित्तरुद्धो पीतवा भासतं संतापः शीतकामित्वम् अल्पनिद्रतः मूर्छः बलहानिरिन्द्रिय दौर्बल्यम् पीत विन्मूत्र नेत्रत्वः च श्लेष्मरुद्धो शौखल्यं श्वैत्यं शैथ्यं गौरवं सदास्तंद्र निद्रा संधि विश्लेषश्च. We'll understand the meaning now. First we'll understand this meaning. Pita Ruddhu Pitava Bastam. Pita Ruddha means increased of the Pitta dosha. Pitava Basta means yellowish of the skin. Next one is the Santapa means body temperature will be increased because Agni is increased in our body. Agni means heat. Heat increases causes to increase in the body temperature. Next one is Shita Kamitvam means desiring of the cold foods. See in Vata Ruddhi Lakshanaham. Vata Ruddhi Lakshana we desired for the hot foods, but in the Pitta Ruddhi Lakshana we desired for the cold foods. Next one is Shita Kamitvam Nidra Murcha Kamitra Shita Kamitvam Alpa Nidrata, that means less sleep. Next one is Murcha means fainting sensation. Alpa Nidrataha lack sleep, Murcha fainting. Next Balahani Indriya Daurbalyaha. Balahani means loss of strength, Indriya Daurbalya weakness in the sense organs. Next one Pit Vinmut Netratvaha. Pit means yellow color, Vin Mutra means yellowish of the urine and the eyes. Netra means eye, Vin Mutra means urine. Next one is the Shleshma Ruddha, that means increase in the Kapha dosha. Shaukulya means paleness, that means yellow color appearance in anemia condition like that. Next is Shaitya, feeling of the coldness. Sthairya, steadiness. Thandra, drowsiness. Netratva burning sensation in the eyes and the skin. Daha means burning sensation where in eyes and the skin. Next Kshuta means excessive hunger. See, if Agni is increased in the body, then digestion power will be increased in the body. That leads to more appetite. This is the meaning of the Pitta Ruddhi Lakshanaha. Shleshma Ruddha means increased of the Kapha dosha. Shaukalya means paleness. Shvaitya means feeling of the coldness. Dishaitya means steadiness. Gaurava means heaviness. Tandra means drowsiness. Nidra means sleepy. Sandhi Vishleshascha means looseness of the joints will be damaged due to Ruddhi of the Pitta. Pit Vin Mutra Netra Kshutrut Daha Alpa Nidrata means yellow color can be observed in the Netra Tvaka, and Kshutta hunger is produced and burning sensation is produced, and Alpa Nidrataha. This is the Pitta Ruddhi Lakshanaha. Next one is the Pitta Kshaya Lakshanaha. Pitta Kshayo Mandoshna Agnitaha Nishprabhatachaha. Pitta Manda Anila Shitam Prabhahani. Pitta Kshaya means decreased of the Pitta. Mando Ushna Agnitha. Manda means decreased of the Agni. Pitta Ruddhi will be increased of the Agni. Pitta Kshaya will be decreased of the Agni. Mando Ushna Agnitaha. Nishprabhata cha. That means luster in the body will be decreased. Nishprabhata means lack of complexion. That means lustrous. Pitta Manda Anilaha, according to Ashtanga Hridaya, Manda Anila, that means Anila, it should be Analaha, because Anala is known as the Agni, that Shitam Prabha Hani, that means cold. Feeling of coldness can be observed if Pitta Kshaya happens in the body. These both are the Pitta Kshaya Lakshana, and these are the Pitta Ruddhi Lakshana.